Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the BMW R75, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Welly. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This BMW R75 diecast motorcycle replica comes in a two-wheel mid-series window type box, which is a standard packaging by Welly for this particular series. So as you can see, bang in the middle is the name of this model, which is the BMW R75 with the prefix R not printed on it. But moving on, up top you will see the branding of this Welly series in Spanish, which translates to two-wheel mids, which is pretty much the same on both sides. And on the bottom of this box you will find a few specifications along with the scale of this model, which is a 118 scale. And finally on the back of the box you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So to begin with, I just want to let you know that I've done an exclusive unboxing review of this BMW R100S, which also comes in this particular series in the Welly lineup, of which I'll drop the link in the description. So go check it out if you're interested and let me know what you think in the comments below. And with that out of the way, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the exclusive Welly motorcycle replicas for the most part. And I should admit that this model looks quite classy and elegant and almost looks like its real life counterpart. And the sculpt, the detail and the finish on this replica are quite decent and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this BMW motorcycle replica comes with a fully blacked out chassis with a blue and silver color scheme with some awesome silver pinstripes which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some minimalistic decals and BMW branding. This replica comes with a fully chrome steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme on this replica, and this model also comes with a well-detailed headlight with a speedometer on it which looks retro. And this headlight unit flows into a fully chrome handlebar with a pair of hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers that are in chrome. Moving down is a standard blue front fender with some awesome pinstripes in silver that wraps around a beautiful chrome spoke style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit which is in chrome as well. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in blue for the most part, with the sides in silver with the BMW logo on both sides. And there is also a fuel tank cap which is in chrome which seamlessly flow together as a single unit. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed boxer engine sculpt which is in silver with the BMW R75 branding in black which are on both sides. And this model comes with a double exhaust which is in chrome with the rest of the midsection components in chrome as well. And talking about the seat, it's a double seat which is in black that flows into a well-sculpted tailpiece which has a fully chrome hand grip with a tail light, a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front but comes with a chain and sprocket unit along with a single disc brake unit which is in chrome. And just to mention, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a center kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. Well, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the BMW R75, and I'm glad I got this replica to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica with some awesome details and is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a BMW enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed BMW R75 replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this BMW motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the BMW R75 coming up. The BMW R75 is one of BMW's produced motorcycles from 1969 to 1973, which had an air-cooled 2-cylinder 4-stroke boxer engine which was manufactured from 1969 to 1973. It is the top model of the so-called Dash 5 series, which consists of the models R75, the R65 and the R55. With a comparatively low specific output, they were designed for pulling power and durability. With the R75, BMW responded to the new demand for sports motorcycles after sales of the outdated swing arm models had almost come to a standstill. The R75 was replaced by the R75-6 and the R65 was replaced by the R66. These series replaced the full swing BMW built from 1955 onwards. It was not just a model upgrade. The engines were new designs with plain bearings on the crankshaft instead of the roller bearings of their predecessors. The engine bearings, connecting rods and pistons were adopted from the BMW car models. And for further information on the BMW R75, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing BMW R75 replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing BMW diecast replica. And in case you've missed out on our previous episodes and if you're interested, kindly do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also, do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.